Hey guys, Jay here. Happy Friday. Just got back a little bit ago. I'm gonna have a really busy weekend. But yeah, got done getting ready to leave this morning. My phone rings at 10 till 6. So right away I get scared, thinking what the hell is going on. Pick the phone up and I said hello. And all I hear is, "Hey Cream Puff, morning." It's Pastor. So I said, "What are you calling me so early for?" He said, "Well, I wanted to run something by you." He said, "We had a meeting at church last night." Well, it was a meeting I didn't know about because I wasn't invited. But I said, "What was the meeting about?" He said, "About the bake sale." I said, "We don't have to have a bake sale right now." I said, "The turkeys are paid for. My sister wrote the check." He said, "I know." He said, "But we were still going to try to have the bake sale and try to give the money back to your sister." I said, "My sister is as bullheaded as I am. If she didn't want to do something, she wouldn't have done it." He said, "I know that. I talked to her." I said, "Well," I said, "How'd you get her number?" He said, "I've had her number since you were in the hospital." So, and she told me you're a great baker. Yeah, thanks, sis. But I told him, I said, "Well, what do you need me to do?" He said, "Well, your sister said whatever money we make from the bake sale or anything going forward, we can use it for box stuffing, potatoes, and whatever else people need to make a full Thanksgiving dinner." I said, "Oh, good for you." I said, "I gotta get to work." I said, "I gotta go see my dad." He said, "No." He said, "Your sister said," he said, "and I agree with it, that you're the best cook in the house." He said, "You make all the dinners, Christmas dinner, everything. And you also bake all the birthday cakes." So he said, "I know you can bake." I'm a man. That's embarrassing. So I told him, I said, "I come to the church. You ever notice I'm the only man down in the basement in the kitchen cooking with all the women?" He said, "Well, the good thing about it, the men love your cooking more than they love their wives." I said, "Well, that's good. If I'm looking for a man to date, then yeah, that's good for me, but that ain't happening." But I don't know. I told him, I said, "What do you want me to bake?" He said, "I don't know." He said, "I don't know how to bake. I don't know what you would make." So here's what I decided. Well, you can leave it in the comments below. I don't know where the hell the comments go to. But anyway, I was going to make 60 pepperoni rolls. Actually, I'm going to make them because I already got the dough out there raising. I mixed the dough up a little while ago. But pepperoni rolls, not little ones. I'm going to roll the dough out, fill them up with pepperoni, and I'm going to take them, roll them up, and plop them down so they turn into like a roll type thing. Like a hamburger bun type thing. But anyway, I'm going to do them. Put them in bags. I'm going to sell them for $95 a piece. That means you open the bag up and take one out, it's $95. I got to do something because you losers watch my videos for free. I ain't make no money. Anyway, I'm going to do them. And then I'm going to make 3 pineapple upside down cakes in the 9-inch pans. I really went to the threshold of hell and bought everything I need. But I bought the disposable cake things like Walmart uses to put their cakes in. Because the upside down ones I got to flip over after they're done cooling. So I have to put them on one of them little black trays and put a cover over them. I want to make 3 9-inch hot chocolate cakes, which I actually learned that recipe off of YouTube, off of a lady on YouTube. My parents, my sister and them said it was delicious. I don't know. I don't eat anything I make. Unless it says Campbell's on the side, I ain't touching it. But that's just a chocolate cake. Poke holes in it. You get that marshmallow in a jar. Put it in the microwave for a minute, let it melt, dump it in the holes all around the top of the cake, throw it back in the fridge for a while. Then you take Cool Whip and dump a packet of Swiss Miss chocolate cocoa in it. Stir it up until the cocoa and the Cool Whip is chocolate colored. Then you put that, smear it, put it on top of the cake like frosting. So, enough of that crap. I'm going to tell you how to bake stuff. I feel like a moron on here. I'm a man. Debbie. Then I'm going to make 6 9-inch, not the round pan, square ones, of apple crisp. So, and now I'm not using canned apples. I get Granny Smith and I make them myself. But anyway, that's what I'm doing, since I'm such a man. You losers pay to watch my videos, you dirt bags. People say I'm mean to my subscribers. But anyway, I'm going to have 2 full days of baking since I'm such a man. But the one thing I don't do is price anything. The women do that because I know they're price gougers are women. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get going. Love y'all. Bella said a prayer for you. Again, I hope you can come back on here. I haven't checked any messages today, but I'm waiting for that stupid dough to rise. I gotta work on them tonight. I'm gonna get them done tonight and get the cakes done tomorrow. The cakes and the apple crisp. So, busy, busy, busy in the kitchen with my little apron on. Toodaloo. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go. Love y'all. God bless. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.